Today we will talk about the 1 mile jogging test. The equipment needed is the proper attire, a 400-meter track, heart rate monitor which is optional, pen and paper to write down results, a stopwatch, and a scale. When doing the jogging test for 18 to 29-year-old men and women, establish a pace with 2 to 3 minute warm-up. Once you begin the 1 mile jog test, it should be at a comfortable pace without stopping. It is not a maximal test, so the goal is not to run a mile as quickly as possible. For men, it is at least 8 minutes, and for women, at least 9 minutes. When performing this test, you should always make sure heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute. One good way to keep track of your heart rate is to wear a heart rate monitor. This is why it is made optional when discussing equipment for the running test. Once you have completed the 1 mile run test, you can now take a post-exercise heart rate. Make sure to take your heart rate on the radial side of your wrist. You could also do this on the carotid artery on your neck. The next test we will be performing is the 1 mile walking test. Remember to always do 5 to 10 minutes warm-up for 20 to 69-year-old men and women. This is good for sedentary populations and also older populations. Also remember to have the proper equipment. This means having the proper running or walking attire, a 400-meter track, heart rate monitor, which is optional, pencil and paper to write down results, and a stopwatch and a scale. The goal for performing the 1 mile walking test is to walk a mile as quickly as possible without running. After this, you will take a post-exercise heart rate. Here is the 1 mile jogging test formula and the 1 mile walking test formula. Always remember, for males it is 1 and for females it is 0 when plugging it into the formula. Once you have calculated the VO2 max, you can look up the classifications. This is the fitness categories for maximal aerobic power for men and women.